Hello, guys. Welcome to this edition of Lessons from Winners and Losers for the week ending 2nd March 2024. My name is Emmanuel Ekpeyon, and I'm so excited to bring you this particular edition. Why do we do this video series? Very simple. We want to learn from stocks that won big and those that did not do so well in the previous week, so we can see if there is any pattern that is obvious that we can participate in such winning run in the coming weeks and months. So before we go into juicy stuff, it's important to take a look at our disclaimer. Okay, to the more exciting stuff first, which stocks won big last week? The first one, guys, is Advanced Micro Devices with ticker symbol AMD. This is a powerhouse in the semiconductor industry, and it's obvious that this is a sector that is on fire in the last few months. If you're looking for winning stocks, you should pay attention to companies in this sector. So what happened last week? The price, as you can see, was consolidating for a bit around 178, 179 area on declining volume, guys. Look at the volume before Thursday and Friday, pretty low. But then on Thursday, the price kept up on big volume, and then it continues on Friday and the week at 202.64 with a very nice gain of 13.5%. Very interesting if you ask me. Go to the next slide very quickly. Second stock that we are reviewing is SP Incorporated. SP Incorporated is a Chinese EV car manufacturer, very important company in today's world. And this stock has been tanking for a bit. You can see how the price has been consolidating around the $9 area with not big volume, as you can see, very important. And then on Thursday, it popped, continued the move on Friday with big volume. Yeah, plus 79 increase in volume, ending the week at 9.925 with 59% gain. Very impressive. Again, price moved above the nearest moving average. We'll come back to that in a bit, but let's go to losing trade for the week. And that was Cell Incorporated with ticker symbol XEL. This company lost 16.45% in the week. And for me, what's interesting is the chart pattern. Very nice. Yes, it's a losing trade, but I love chart pattern. What do you see around 57 area? That was an area of support. Many times the stock tried in the past to go below this stock without success, but it did so Wednesday, continue with big volume on Thursday and on Friday, ending the week at minus 16.45%. And then the price was also below the nearest moving average. So, this is happening again and again. Yeah. So let's see what we can learn for this week then. First on my list is investigate every gap up. Investigate to know what is the catalyst behind this gap up. If the catalyst is a significant one, say good earnings or acquisitions or positive news, revision by analysts, the list is endless, then you might consider taking position in such a trade. Gap ups are very important. We saw that in AMD. We also saw that in SPEF. The second lesson that we can learn is to pay attention to volume. Volume. We mentioned this first in AMD. You could see before Thursday and Friday, when the price was still consolidating, the volume was low, even as the price is going down. It's a sign that the institutional players are not dumping the stock. I repeat, it's a sign that institutional players are not dumping the stock. And then when it popped to the upside on big volume, that is a time to get interested in this stock. Investigate what's the catalyst and then take position accordingly. So volume does matter. And then moving average to me is underrated in all three cases that we looked at. For AMD, the price never went below the 21-day moving average. So that is an important thing to see. But more interesting is for a SPEN, if you bought this stock when the price moved above moving average, you would have done a very good thing. So pay attention, guys, to the nearest moving average around your stock price. Again, the last thing is sectoral rotation. So what does that mean? It means that money moves from one sector of the stock market to the other sector. We see that the big money now tends to be focused around the semiconductor industry, the AI industry. But I can begin to see that this money is moving slightly to another sector, which is the EV car manufacturers. Tesla was up in the week, and Xpeng is also up in the week. Is it the time to begin to look at stocks in this sector? So it's very important because you want to play where the big guys are playing. Until I come your way next week, do take care and have a wonderful and successful trading week.